Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, click on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current login method. Lastly, hit the delete button next to the edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!